Hello guys, this is Vysh. So 2024 prelims is over. Now 2025 and 26 aspirants are starting their journey. So we are designing our batch 3 of 2025 and this video should be strictly watched by 2025 aspirants only, because 2026 we have a bigger plan, which because you have 2 years time, a 650-day timetable which will again be prelims plus mains integrated, complete day by day, hour by hour study timetable will be there. Wait for the launch video. Okay, it will be starting, actually the study date will start only on August 1. So you have lot of time, so I will in the next few days try to launch it. Okay, but this one, the 2025 batch 3 which we are talking, this will start on July 1, meaning today is June 24th, so you have 1 week time to enroll, and in 1 week you can start getting our timetable and then you can start studying. Okay, and full thing I will explain here in a detailed video, so you won't have any doubts left. Okay, first and basic thing you have to know is the UPSC calendar. UPSC calendar for 2024 and 25 is there in your website, UPSC website. So behind me you can see this prelims got over on June 16th, you know that, and now by June 30 the result will come, that is 14 days. Usually in 17 days it comes, but this time already the prelims was postponed once, so they won't delay the result. Okay, so the result will come and then who clears will give the mains in September. For that a separate plan, 80-day plan I am making, that also will be launched soon. And then it will be a 5-day exam, you know, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and then next Saturday, Sunday. Okay, so after that you will give your interview. If you pass the mains, then by the next year, May, that is by the time 2025 people give the prelims, your final rank will come. So this is the overall 24 calendar. 25 calendar, it has already come. Your prelims will be on May 25. Okay, May 25, 2025. So here again, after that August you will give your mains and then interview this thing, and it's the same cycle. Okay, only that instead of September mains, it will be August mains for you. Then 2026 aspirant also similar, but that is tentative dates because UPSC is yet to publish the calendar. So now with this information, this is the basic thing. You have to know all these things, only then you should start your preparation. Okay, so now for 2025 batch 3, what we are doing is 328 days, meaning from July 1, if you calculate, it is 328 days. So day by day, hour by hour, how to study your prelims, mains, optional, everything, we will tell you the timetable. Okay, so how is this 328 days? If you take this, July 31 days are there, like that August 31 days, like that if you add up this year by December, by New Year, you will get 184 days. And then next year from January to May, the prelims date if you calculate, you will get 144 days. So total 328 days is what we have given for batch 3. Okay, batch 3, which is this batch. And before this, we already had a batch 2, which is a 450 day timetable, and batch 1, which was a 575 day timetable. Okay, so these things are already running. Our students are already studying. But if you could not join that, okay, so it will be similar to those batches only, because they had longer time. It would be little more like they'll have more time for per subject and all, but you will have lesser time. But 1 year is a good time to study. Okay, so this 1 year, how you have to study, that in full detailing we'll discuss. But one thing I'll tell you, if you are not serious about this exam, please do not join this program. Okay, because I have noticed last year also, every year many students enroll. Okay, many students enroll to our test series. They get this timetable, they get the prelims test PDF, but they don't take it seriously. They don't study it. Okay, so if you don't study a particular thing, then you cannot expect results also. But we want result. We want these all India toppers to come from Vysh IAS also. Okay, so last year also many people cleared 2023. So we are tracking everything, like prelims how many are clearing, mains how many are clearing, that level we are tracking. So this year also, prelims, many people after the exam have told us that they are hopeful that they will clear. So we are waiting for the result and then they will be given the mains coaching. So like that, you have to see to it that you also are that student who are studying. Okay, only if you are studying, we will also do anything and everything to support you and take you to that place. Okay, in 2024, if you have not seen the paper, that is one first thing you have to do before preparing. You have to go and check the 2024 paper, and we are analyzing it subject by subject. If you see polity and history are already done, and then economics, and these things will come. I will show you the videos we are planning. If you see this one, history and polity is done, economics, geography, animal based questions, science questions, everything will be done separately. And then overall compilation of Vysh versus UPSC also will come, because Vysh versus UPSC is something which we every year do. Okay, if you simply go to Google, okay, not even YouTube, Google, you type Vysh versus UPSC, the latest 2023 video which we done, it will come out. And in that we have again showed you 45 to 50 questions solvable from our test series directly and indirectly. Okay, directly means that ditto question kind of options will be there. Indirectly means UPSC mixes lot of fact together in one question, so we'll have to it will be scattered in our different tests, so indirectly it will be there, or maybe some are little bit common sense you have to apply. So that way close to 100 plus marks every year comes from our test series. But again, we don't guarantee or promise that you will get that 100 plus marks. Those who study well, those who revise well, those who use the test series well, they may get the 100 plus marks. Okay, so now this is Vysh versus UPSC. And similarly, people ask this, like India most trusted, who asked you to keep an all. We have been having that tagline since the time we have been preparing. Okay, so if you Google that also will come up. Vysh IAS as this same tagline, and it's our own tagline only. Okay, so now some disclaimers before we proceed in this video. Okay, that is, first thing, this is a paid test series. Okay, so paid, everything I'll tell you now, but paid test series it is. So if you are looking for only free thing, continue to watch our YouTube. Okay, this is a paid test series program, so you can stop the video right here if you don't want. Then it is an English medium. So Hindi medium students, unfortunately, now we don't have a test series program. So lectures are there, English lectures are there. You can watch them on our YouTube. If you don't know, come and ask in WhatsApp. I'll give you the link. And then people ask, like, I'm a working aspirant, I'm a college student. This applies for everyone. Okay, like 4 to 5 hours of study per day. That way we have managed it. It will be stressful for people who go to job and all, but still you don't have option. Okay, the way the exam toughness level is going on these days, you have to study 3 to 4 to 5 hours every single day. Even if you are working or even if you are a college student, you have to study that much. Okay, and on Saturday, Sunday, you have to put extra hours to compensate and match the other people also. So July 1 to May 24, 328 days, you will study as per our timetable. Okay. So here if you see the summary, okay, 1 year, 328 days timetable, 100% syllabus by a guided self-study, meaning here we are not going to teach you things. Our teaching will be through our test PDF, which you will get regular basis, that how many test subject, everything I will tell you. But you have to study yourself, but I will tell you the plan. Like today read NCERT chapter 6 or geography class 7, like that we will tell you. That you follow for that many days, then maybe the like 10 days of NCERT, then 11th day I will give you the test based on that. So that test PDF when you do, you will see that you are complete NCERT within that 11th day. Okay, then again 10 days of reading Spectrum textbook, then test, then 15 to 20 days of Polity Lakshmikant reading, then the tests based on that. Polity has many tests, at least 8 to 12 tests are there. So this way, if you read, revise, if you do, by the end of the year, you should be good. You should be good to get the cutoff. Okay, we never claim that 100 questions of UPSC questions will come from our test series. That nobody can claim. If somebody is claiming, that's a fraud. Okay, 50% of that will come, and that 50% is enough for your cutoff, because cutoff is always in the 70s, 80s, 90s range now, meaning close to 45 questions you have to do, and that will come. That will come from our test series, or it will be solvable from our test series, as I told, through indirect methods. So you have to understand that this 100 plus marks is that way. Okay, which I have written, point number 3. Then how many tests? 99 test PDF will be there. I'll show you the test names also now. 99 test PDF, but you should understand batch 1 and batch 2 had 111 test PDF. That is, they had 12 tests extra. That is because they are getting 1 old years of current affairs extra. Okay, that is included in their package, and that the pricing is also different for them. So you will have 99 tests, meaning 1 old year will not be there. Okay, you will have the current 12 months and the 6 months before your prelims, that 18 months you will have, but one before that 12 months it will not be there. That I'll show you. Okay, which one is not there and which is not there. So prelims, mains, test series evaluation. Okay, prelims doesn't have evaluation. Prelims is a reading test PDF concept. You have to study yourself. Mains, you will write and we will evaluate and we will give you the model answer. It is a complete end-to-end program. So that will also happen around October time. It will happen October to February. It will have. So that also full summary. I will tell you which month what will happen. Okay. So current affairs also I told you, and again now split up. This is just a summary. Split up we'll see. So next 45 minutes or maybe 1 hour I am explaining. Please take this video seriously. Without watching this, don't please enroll, don't please message us. Okay, because we cannot repeat the things which we are doing with this much effort for you. So now summary. Okay, I'll just move myself from the screen because many things will be there which you will not be able to see. Okay, so summary of this 328 days. July month, okay, July 1 to 31, you will do NCERTs of history and geography. And that's very, very important because direct questions comes from geography NCERT. History, you see the question coming down every year, very, very little question coming. And this year also whatever came, I think 9 questions came. In that 5 were ancient history. Only 1 or 2 were answerable from NCERT. All the questions were very, very weird things which you cannot find in any textbook. But you have to do your part and go, because NCERT questions used to come. So if it comes back, you should be ready for that. So that is why NCERT, you have to do 1 month fully, very seriously, and in that 1 month you will get the test PDF also in a particular date. That dates I'll show you. And so July month is for that. Then you will do August and September. the main two standard books which we have, which is the most trustable books which we have for UPSC. One is Spectrum and one is Lakshmikant Polity, and this one you have to do for this 2 months stretch, and that also day by day thing I'll tell you. Okay, this is important because from these questions are coming, even now questions are coming. Okay, this year also Spectrum based questions came, Lakshmikant based lot of questions came, so that's why you have to do it. So by September you have done many standard books, NCERT plus Spectrum plus Lakshmikant, and between some subjects will be there which are very small, that's why I did not mention here. I'll mention the detailed timetable. Then October to February you are doing your main subjects and mains test series. Okay, meaning there will be written, like today do world history, this one, do that one, do this one, it will be written. So everything you have to self study from the sources which we tell. Then you will have December month, where 1 month we have kept it blank. Blank means we have no interaction with you because we don't teach anything for optional, because your optional will be different also. We don't know what is the optional subject you have. So you, that 1 month, December month, you have to maybe join any optional test series course, or you have to read and learn. It's up to you. December month we will not disturb you. We will not give you, maybe 1 or 2 current affair PDFs will come that month, but you will not have any other disturbance from us. So December month is fully for optional. Okay, like this again 15 days will come. If you see March month, again 15 days will come. Total out of 328 days, 45 days is exclusive for optionals. Other days also, if you want, like if you're a full-time aspirant, 1 hour daily you can study optional. Okay, like that you can manage. This is what I told, the difference between the earlier batches. The earlier batches, because they had 450 days, 575 days and all, I would have allocated 60 days to 80 days for optional. But for you people, I'm putting 45 days of optional because you have to study other subjects also. Simply if you study only optional now in this 328 days, you will not be able to clear the prelims. Okay, so after that, if you see, January we'll do environment, art and culture, that kind of subjects. Then we'll do medieval and ancient history, and then schemes and map, and then the full test will start, meaning subject wise full test is there. History full test, meaning it's a mix of ancient, medieval, modern. Then geography, environment mix full test. Then after that we'll give you something called revision chart, from which also this year questions came. Okay, the 8th schedule languages question came, and 2-3 other questions, majority, that and all came. Okay, speaker thing and all came. Then we'll have the full subject test also at the end of April, May month. So and in between there will be 5-6 days allocated for CSAT, where you have to do the PYQs of CSAT. Okay, we will try to do more videos also. Already we have a series. We'll do more videos for CSAT. So this is the overall general summary. Okay, general summary of what you will be doing for the next 328 days if you join with Vysh IAS. Okay. Now I told you the detailed timetable. Full one I will show you at the end, but the summary of the first month, July month, what you will do. July 1 is a Monday also. Always we tell we'll start studying on the Monday, we'll start studying on the first of the month. July 1 is a Monday also, it's a first also. So don't stop. Okay, this is the day, this is the decision making day. After this, if you do delay, again you will tell next Monday I will start, next month starting I will start. It will again delay, and then others will get ahead of you. Already I told you, my batch students are studying since last 2-3 months. Okay, 2 batches are already running, so you are late. So now late means late compared to them, else you are in ideal time. You have 1 year, 1 year is good time. Okay, so now please start on July 1. You have to start reading NCERT, and you see all these are hyperlink. Hyperlink means you click on that in Excel sheet. Excel sheet I'll give you when you join. It will take you to the free lecture on YouTube itself. Okay, so those are not joining also, they will be able to see that, but they don't know the systematic way to study it. That is why we are doing this. Okay, and then after the blue, if you see a lot of orange colors where PT 13, PT 14, PT 44 is written, that PT means prelims test. Okay, so prelims test PDF will give you, meaning after this much reading or this much video watching, we will give you the test based on that. So if you do this at one stretch of 12 days, if you do continuously, I guarantee you that geography and history and NCERT, everything you will be able to do. Okay, this is lower classes. If you see class 6 to 10th only. After that 11, 12 will come. In the next page it will come. So here, after that, one buffer day is also kept. That buffer day you can use as per your thing. Okay, if you are slow in watching videos, one extra day we have kept here and there, one buffer day will be there. PT 44 is the June 2024 current affair. Okay, so like this, I will tell you again more. I will tell you. So here, second, meaning June 16, you can, sorry, July 16, you should notice here, okay, what is being shown in each screen, the dates you should see. It is July 16 onwards. Okay, first tab was July 1 to 15. This is July, just give me a second. Okay, July 16 to 31. Okay, so here you will be reading NCERT class 12. Why here there is no hyperlink? Because we have not done the lecture of this. If we do the lecture, we will update and give you the link. Okay, else you have to read it yourself. 6 days are kept, and 6 days is more than enough. If you completely give for NCERT, 3 textbooks are there, 3 parts are there, theme 1, theme 2, theme 3, ancient, medieval, modern. So after that, then geography, we have free lectures. Okay, complete free lectures of class 11th we have. Class 12th we have 2 textbooks, in which 1 textbook there is free lecture and 1 textbook you have to read. Okay, human geography you have to read as of now. We will try to do by then, but if it's not done, because we are not selling lectures here, we are selling test series plan here. So like this, by July 31, you would have completed your class 6 to 12th history plus geography NCERT, and that is a very good start. Okay, and now how to get the lectures? Again, if you don't have the hyperlink and all, simply in YouTube type, okay, Vysh IAS space whichever subject you want, Vysh IAS space spectrum, Vysh IAS space NCERT, and if you need in English or English, type that also here after this. Okay, type English or type English, playlists will come. Okay, and those playlists are completely free, you can go and watch. Okay, so this is about how to get it. Now that which are the 99 tests you will be getting. If you see here, this red color thing you won't get, because this is 2023's current affair. Okay, so this one we have given to the batch 1 and 2, but batch 3 we are not giving because you have shortage of days also. But this 12 test as a separate package you can enroll. Okay, in a small payment you can do it. That in WhatsApp you can come and ask me. Okay, this WhatsApp number you can come and ask me. So 12 months of current affair we have cut, which is older one, but you will have, if you see this year, now it's June running, but from January onwards itself, January to December, 12 months, and then next year also January to this is April, and here you can see May. Okay, this is 12 plus 6, 18 months you will get it. Okay, so this one 12 plus 5, okay, because up to May means it's 5 months, so 17 months you will get it. But the other batches would have got 17 plus this extra 12 test also, so 29 test you would have got. So that one you can extra enroll. But other test, if you see CPT 13 which we saw, NCERTs, PT 14, 15, 16, these are all NCERTs. Okay, after that then 3 science tests are there. Then after that we have Lakshmikant, we have 7-8 textbook which is based on Lakshmikant purely, important bodies, then schemes, maps, economics, then the current affairs I showed you, environment we have 5 tests, then again scheme 4 and 5, then R.S. Sharma Satish Chandra which is your medieval and ancient, then you have spectrum, there are 4 tests. Okay, from this only this year many questions came. Then art and culture 2 tests is there. Nitin Singhania test, last year we announced and we had cancelled it, but this again we may do it based on the content which they upload. Okay, because update, because in Nitin Singhania's older version textbook and all, nothing is coming from it for the exam. Okay, then maps 3, science 4, everything the 3rd and 4th test. Economic survey also now new economic survey will come in July. Okay, you know, last like government was going out, so it was an interim budget and interim this thing and all. So the full budget and full economic survey will come in July. So that time we will make a test. Okay, so that's why last year also we did not give the students the survey, and exactly like that not a single question came for the prelims from any economics documents. Okay, then we have, as I told, history, geography full test, polity full test, then the full subject test. Okay, so these many tests are there, total 99 tests you have for prelims. Okay, and then mains if you see, from 13th October 2024 till 16th February 2025, you will write around 20 to 21 tests you will do, and then 4-5 tests extra after your prelims will give. Okay, so that's a different thing. So this also in coming slides I'll show you how you have to submit your thing, how you have to do and all, because this has evaluation. Okay, mains has evaluation. So that is the general summary. It will have GS 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 essay, everything what you need. Okay, GS 1, 2, 3, 4 and essay. So optional won't be there. So please join optional somewhere else. Now students keep worrying that, sir, I am not able to become consistent. I am not able to study every day. I keep getting tired. I forget whatever I try to study. So these things, right? These things are like common things which every aspirant faces. Okay. So what you have to do is you have to understand that it's not like every day study 8 hours. Maybe for a week you could have made a plan. Okay, like I told you, 10 days was NCERT. So 2 days you fell ill or 2 days you couldn't study. That is totally fine. But the overall 1 week target that you should have achieved. Okay, so now that's about consistency. And one more thing, all people who enroll to prelims plus mains, they will get this bag plus hoodie thing delivered in your home. These are the only physical things we give. Test series, everything is soft copy PDF which you will get in your email. So this one, last year's also many students delivery is pending, and because I told you, because health issues, I had health issues, then prelims lot of pending work came last year, so I couldn't give to many people. But this year we will again start from July 1 we will start shipping. Okay, so everyone who enrolls to prelims mains, this is an extra thing beyond the test, because you are our students, you represent us, so we will give you something which is like a souvenir kind of thing we'll give you. Okay, so hoodie and bag will be the thing I think first you will get, because already we have in plenty. You would have seen these photos where we are packing it here. These are all in Instagram, you would have seen already. So these things, okay, these things you will get it, but the timing may vary. It may not be, as I told, immediately after enrolling you will get it. Okay, so now going forward, see, these are all our students only. When they get it, they take a photo and send it, or they take a video and send it. These are all Instagram, YouTube, you would have already seen. Okay, now about something like how to study is, first thing is watch the foundation. Foundation is something which many people ignore, and that is the reason most of them are not passing the prelims. Okay, just because a test series is there, just because some YouTube videos are there, that need not guarantee you success. You have to watch the foundation videos. Okay, foundation, there are 30 videos which tells you like how to start studying, how to set up your study room, how to make your strategy and use the timetable, how to do optionals, how to newspaper reading, how to prepare notes, everything they will teach you there. So this one, if you don't watch, then you will not pass. Okay, so these are all our older students feedback. So I will not read everything because this I keep putting in my WhatsApp status, and you would have already seen, okay, whether it's working children, whether it is this college students, or somebody is impressed by our editorial playlist, see Hindu editorials. So everybody, see love from Kashmir. So Kashmir, Northeast, I don't think there is a state which is missing. From every state we have students, especially from Northeast and all. Last year many students joined. So if you see the NCERT content is there, thank you for the content, positive impact in my life, foundation, true educators. So these are all our students. Okay, your messages also may be there. Okay, then there are many people, okay, see there are like other institutes and all who force them to take loan, then EMI, this thing, they trouble you so much, and that also the students inform. Like if you want to buy a test series, you can buy, but don't waste like that much money on loan and these things and all. Or it should be a proper EMI, like how we give. Even our prelims and mains, it will be maybe in single payment, you may not be able to give. That's why we give a 8-month installment, 9-month installment, 6-month installment, based on the different batches we give that. Okay, so this batch will have around 4-month installment. Okay, so that also I will tell you. So this also, see, getting a loan, these are all people face situation, and when I put status, seeing that status, more people tell their stories. Okay, so we have been dealing with these kind of things, and you put a status also. You can join anywhere, but if you cannot afford it, don't forcefully go and join there. Okay, because it is very difficult along with your studies handling the financial burden also. So 2025 batch 1, batch 2 people are doing excellently good. They are daily asking doubts, they are daily solving our test, and from Andhra Pradesh and Telangana we have the highest number of students actually from the south, and other states are, I think, Tamil Nadu, Maharashtra also we have a lot of students. So if you are from those states and all, in comment section you can tell me, so that I come to know that okay, these many students again are coming for 2025 also. Okay, CSAT is something I understand, it's like difficult for everyone, but we are trying to do many things. We are trying to give this foundation videos, how to solve, then PYQs, this and all helps people. Okay, then the tricks like time management in the exam hall, how you should do this and all, this year helped a lot of students. Okay, so please, again, if you deleted the foundation video, that is the first step you have to do. Come and ask in this particular WhatsApp number, get the foundation video, and I will discuss more things now so that you can see some previous year questions also. See, many questions reflected in UPSC Prelims, it helped me a lot. Okay, this is actually 2023 aspirant, not 24, 23 aspirant, and these are people like how much ever we post, like I tell you this thing, we put feedback also problem, we don't put feedback also problem, because when we put this, they are telling that show the name of the students. We actually don't disclose your name or number anywhere. Okay, your number and details are your personal things, and that we don't share anywhere. I have more than 40,000 people in my WhatsApp. We have 1 lakh plus people on our YouTube. So we don't share, even one student will not know each other's data. Okay, we deal with you personally, with each one we personally message. So you see to it that questions like this, see, BrahMos message 2023, okay, BrahMos, Swadeshi, Ukraine, chess question, medium enterprise, Israel, China, this anemia, Mukt Bharat, all these questions came in 2023. It was directly in our test series. Okay, directly. So see to it that you also study well, because see, I don't know whether I'm clearing or not, but thank you for the support. I'm going to prepare myself for 2024. These are all old students, meaning 2023 students. Okay, so 24 it's still in my WhatsApp, so I couldn't take screenshots and put it here, but you will be seeing in my WhatsApp status. Okay, if you are regularly in my WhatsApp status, see, though that year elimination technique also some questions came in 2022. This is, so like this, different things, and all this we have compiled and put it in where? In our YouTube. Okay, in our YouTube, we had this video series where we told how elimination is like slowly getting eliminated, or whether there are some hidden questions which anybody can do even without studying. Then the blunder, what UPSC was doing, and that blunder they corrected. Actually, in 2024, they corrected whatever mistakes we pointed out in these videos. Luckily, they have understood that and they have changed it. Okay, they have this, maybe they will not see our video and all, but maybe when everyone starts talking about this, UPSC have made the exam at the normal rate, normal standards this time. Okay, normal, which is expected out of UPSC. And then the proof videos, as I told, Vysh versus UPSC, when you search, if you put the year also there, you will get the yearly thing, 2020, 2019, 2023, see 2021, everything will be there. Okay, so these things and all, just go and type in YouTube and you will get it. These are this year's question, which you would have seen in my other video, like Shakya Muni and this Tathagata, this and all in our test series is directly there. History full test 2, and here if you see Tathagata, another name for Buddha, that only they are asking here. Okay, so this is in another history full test 4. See, this is all from NCERT only. So that's why I'm telling NCERT, if you have read, you could have solved this question. And that NCERT, you reading, you will forget. But after that, you get a Vysh IAS test. that test will make sure that you revise the correct thing in question answer format. So that is the power of test series. Okay, then after that again, if you see this Chandragetugar, this is an NCRT picture. Okay, that only they asked you here. It's not in Orissa, it's in West Bengal. And after that, if you see Inam Gao will be there, that is in Maharashtra, Chalkolithic site. See, this is called a revision chart. Vysh IAS revision chart is there in this. See, site, state by state site I have given. So Maharashtra, Inam Gao, Chalkolithic site. This is exactly they asked you. Okay, so like this, even the last place, see, Sahilundam, this Srikakulam, which is Andhra Pradesh, which is a Buddhist site. It's not known for rock cut. Okay, so like this you could have easily solved this question, because here the options are good this time that even elimination works. So that way these questions could have been solved. Like this every question, okay, Upanishads, and this even today one student was debating that this question is wrong and all, but it's not wrong. Okay, here it is clearly given in NCRT like when they are composed, and there are no parables are wrong. Parable just means story, and Upanishad has lot of stories which also is covered in our test series. So it is B2 only. Okay, so like this there are many questions here. Right to worry, direct from NCRT class 12, direct phrase they have asked here. Okay, and then permanent settlement, that is second statement, that also direct. This is there in the NCRT class 6th. This statement is in class 12th. This is in class 8th. Okay, see class 8th. So both are there covered in our test series in that same format. So that is why I am telling, please do the test series. Okay, here is again our revision chart. What they have asked you: Garba dance, UNESCO Intangible Heritage Site, which is added in the latest 2023. See, with the year we have mentioned here. This is what is asked this year. Then we go next one, UNESCO World Heritage Site. UNESCO World Heritage Site is asked here. It is September current affair, September question number 39, September question number 44. Because same month that current affair happened, first they added Shantiniketan, then they added Hoysalas, and both were asked here, Shantiniketan and Hoysalas, and 2 and 3, that is only 2. This is the answer for this. So like this, you just had to study our test series. If you don't do Nitin Singhania, you don't do Fine Arts, Art and Culture, still this time Art and Culture, both the questions you could have solved from our test series alone. That is why I am telling, take test series very seriously. See, Satyanarayana Sinha, he replaced Rajendra Prasad. That is what they asked you. Who was the one before Rajendra Prasad? See, same question, first president. Same ditto question came in our history spectrum test. Then we have Article 368. This is our lecture. You can go and search in YouTube, chapter 10. We have done this 2 years back. Addition, variation, repeal. Addition, variation, repeal. 1, 2, 3. Okay. The next one, delimitation constitution. This is my editorial which I did on July 21 Friday. See, 4 delimitation commission, 4 times. 1952, 1963, 1972, 2002. So answer is 4. Like this, every single thing, okay, you could have easily solved. See these languages, this is in Lakshmikant, chapter 7 to 11 test. In this, Konkani, Manipuri and Nepali was added in 1992. That's what they're asking, 1992. And then Maithili was added later in 2004. Okay, so that will not come in the answer. So answer is 1, 2, 3. Okay, see how simple it is if you start solving test series. These are 2023 questions now. Okay, till now these are 2024, 2023 question. They're asking this Korkai Pompuhar Muchiri is what? They're just asking you what it is. And we have a full length question on ports. That is the old name and the new name of ports. We have a question, the same thing, Muziris Korkai Pompuhar. See, exact question from our geography maps test. The next one, this is the soul, like what has soul? See, Jainas believe that everything has infinite number of souls. This is there in our final full test. That is what is asked here, Jainism. They're all 2023, okay. Then Vijayanagara, they asked you, like who is the one who constructed a dam, a canal across Tungabhadra? See, Devaraya 1. One line we taught you, that exact one line came. This year also came. This year Krishna Devaraya's question was there, like who gave permission to Portuguese to build a dam or something. Okay, build a fort actually, okay, build a fort. And we did not teach you the fort section, but at least we taught you that Krishna Devaraya were in very good terms with the Portuguese, unlike other this Vijayanagara rulers, and he was the only Vijayanagara option in that option. So with common sense and extended, that's why I'm telling some questions are indirect. You cannot directly solve it, but we have taught you at least the basics of that. Okay, and these are all from textbooks only. We are not creating any magic. We are teaching from textbooks only. See this again, right to property, Zamindari, 9th schedule, direct question it is, First Amendment. Okay, this and all I have explained already. Older questions it is. That's why I'm not taking too much time. See, marsupials, that year everyone told very difficult question, nobody can solve. It is in an environment test number 5. All the marsupials list with pictures we have given, that only they asked you here. Okay, it was not very difficult for people who study from good test series. Then ports again, modern ports, that also see all the modern ports and what type of port they are, and in below this detailed explanation is also there in our test PDF. This is again geography map test. You just have to study our test sincerely, but provided that you read the textbook which we tell and then do the test. Okay, that is the order. Then do the revision chart. You will pass. Okay, you have to pass. Now this one, which one of the following is the best example of this repeated thing, meaning marshland kind of thing? See here, tidal creek and then high tide, low tide, and then large amount of water, a muddy channel is formed, that is run of Kutch. Okay, run of Kutch. These are not all basic things, but the problem is you study from multiple sources and complicated. See, this is what the criteria for 15th Finance Commission. Now you know the 16th Commission, new commission has come. So this is outdated, but still that year it was asked, and see everything with the percentage, with the parameters, which are the new parameters added, everything we asked. Okay, so here also it's direct question of economics. Then next one. This is Wolbachia bacteria. This is there in our this thing. What is it called? Revision. Sorry, snippet card. Okay, snippet card. We have something called revision chart, where in the table format we give something called the snippet card, where we just give factual information so that you can by heart. Okay, and in MCQ also it is there. Okay, Wolbachia bacteria. That is what is asked in 2023 prelims. So this much samples I showed you. Now the requirement to join our test series. Okay, one is a sincere, dedicated mindset to listen to whatever we tell. Okay, meaning whatever we teach you, whatever we explain to you, whatever we ask you to do, that you have to do. Okay, that you have to do very, very sincerely also. So now a sincere mindset to and willpower to study, then a mindset to follow our instruction, a sense to not ask queries which is already answered here, and then an active YouTube account, because there is a package where you get some video explanations of some of the tests. That time you have to have a Google and YouTube account which is subscribed to our channel. Okay, so it will tell you, that information will tell you when you enroll. And then obviously the course fees. So that course fees I will tell you in just in another 2-3 minutes. Okay, so this slide I have already shown you. 99 test PDF, 30 to 50 video explanation of that prelims test, and 25 evaluation mains test. Okay, now again I am repeating, we do not provide any notes, we don't give any study material. Our test itself is the notes. You saw the screenshots now in Vysh versus UPSC. That test itself PDF, if you study, if you read, you will be able to solve the questions which comes. You don't have to read any other notes. You have to read the standard textbooks and you have to read our test PDF. That is the logic. Okay, and then basic internet searches you have to do, standard books you have to do, previous IQs you have to do, newspapers you have to do. It's a complete self-study program. Okay, so and test will happen only after given sufficient days, meaning I will not day one itself give you a test. I will ask you read 10 days of NCERT, then only I'll give you the test. That's why that schedule is made, which you will see now. And then foundation, which I told you already. Without watching this, please don't join any of Vysh IAS test series programs. Okay, WhatsApp this number to get the foundation. And editorials also, it's now on halt, but I will restart soon. That also you have to watch, because from editorial also direct questions will come. Now the 10 promises which I give to every batch, you would have already seen this multiple times. I will make you the most competitive aspirant in the country. So competitive doesn't mean you will pass the exam. Competitive means a person is sitting in Delhi in a very good facility. He has like AC room, full 3 times food is there. He has a lot of money. He has all the coaching notes. He can afford everything good for him. But you are sitting in your own house without any setup. You are like struggling. You are struggling to manage the expenses. You don't have much options and all. You have only little NCERTs and standard books. And with that, also you will become equal to him. Okay, meaning study wise, content wise, you will become equal to him. That is called competitive. You both in same exam hall, if you give the exam, you both will be able to attempt the question in a similar way, or maybe better than that guy you will be able to attempt, because our test series we have 100% confidence. Okay, we cover the 100% syllabus for you except optionals and CSAT. Okay, all the GS, all the this thing, everything will be in one form or the other. There will be days allocated for you to self study, and then 1 to 3 years of current affair you will get, and then you will have the previous year questions which we will discuss on YouTube for free. Already 2016 to 21 is done, and other years through my Vysh versus UPSC you can see all the questions. 2023 also, 24 also, Vysh versus UPSC I have explained all the questions, and the older ones 2013, 14, 15 I will try to do soon. Okay, so every needed NCERT you will be given time to study. Like you will not see in my timetable a place to read polity NCERT, because it's useless. There will be no place to read economics NCERT because it's useless. Okay, it is not good for your prelims. That and all in my test, enough content is there. You do my test and you will be able to crack any question which comes. So every minute subtopic, whether it is like agriculture, economy, primary sector, secondary sector, everything days are allocated. Then 14,000 plus MCQs you will practice, because in the test itself there is 99 tests. So 99 test itself is 9900 MCQ. Okay, each test has 100 MCQs. So after that you will see, as I told, 5-10 years of PYQs you will do. So total around 14,000 MCQs you will study by the end of 1 year. 250 plus mains answers you will write. We will evaluate and give you model answers. And then any mistakes if you find in our PDF, you can always WhatsApp me and tell me. I will update it and send it back to you. Okay, because human errors, mistakes and some spelling mistakes and such things will happen. Okay, and then none of our students, I don't delete your numbers. Okay, WhatsApp and email, you will be permanently there with me till you clear all the stages of your exam. Okay, but the test and all will happen as per the schedule only, not after that. So why should I buy this course? If you are sitting at home and then looking to clear UPSC 2025, then this is for you. Okay, so 100% syllabus through our test PDF. And then one important thing I'll tell you, just give me a second. These are the subjects, just go through it. These are the subjects which will be covered in our test series. For history, NCERT Spectrum, R. S. Sharma, Tamil Nadu textbook, and art and culture, NCERT is there. Nitin Singhania, we had did some MCQs, but as I told, questions are not coming from here. That is why we keep on skipping it, but we may include it. Okay, then the previous year based question. Geography, NCERT maps, then UPSC syllabus, and GC Leong based. Lakshmikant, all the latest 3-4 editions based questions will be there. Economics, Ramesh Singh, Sanjeev Verma, and some more extra of this stock market and basic things which you need for your UPSC syllabus, that will be there. Then environment, one book is enough. Shankar IAS, based on that questions will be there. Then science is like our own curated one which we make through like different sources, and from there also questions are coming directly. And then 1.5 years of current affair, that is this year's full current affair. Okay, now today is June, so 6 months past and 6 months future, and next year also 5 months, so total 17 months. Then as I told, economic survey and the full test. This is what you will get in the test PDF. This is the summary of the subjects. You can see on screen. You will see like history, as if it's like long, it will be there, because history you have ancient, medieval, modern, art and culture. Okay, this red color is not there for you, 2023 current affair. Okay, that you can buy as extra package if you want. So 17 months current affair, 18 months history, polity 13 test, then final full test 18 test, geography with including maps and NCERT and PYQ everything 8 test, economics 6 test including survey, then environment, science and scheme 5 test, and international body 4 test. So total 99 test plus revision chart plus snippet cards, all the things are included. Okay, so this one is the test numbers. When you get like PT, today I tell today's PT, PT 69, that means it's a Nitin Singhania test. Okay, that is all in your timetable, it will be there. So the timetable also I'll show you now itself. And then for mains, again I'm telling, there is no classes, there is no video, no lecture, no notes. Okay, on our YouTube, whatever is there you can watch. But we will be giving you guidance videos like how to write an essay, how to solve case study, how to approach different optionals. That and all in our YouTube, it's already there. This is not part of this course. This course is only for test series and a self-study timetable. Okay. And as I told, for 2024, an 80-day mini mains test series batch, I may launch it now. So 2024 aspirants can join that. Okay. Because you have to give your mains in September. Then this is the mains I already showed you. Mains you will have October to February. And then if you have any doubts, you have to email this number or WhatsApp this number, and there will be no classes taken. Self-study programs, they're all repetition. I'm again reminding you, because many people keep asking these doubts only. These are the doubts which are like frequently asked. Okay, whole syllabus I told you, optionals we don't cover, but we give you 45 days break, that is December 1 month and then March 15 days. And those days you have to study only that. Okay, and then all the previous year questions and all you can see in our YouTube. Now, if you want to see the test PDF, which here also I showed you sample, again I'll show you. In your email, if you want, email 3 free to vyshupsc@gmail.com. Okay, so 3 sample test, latest current affair itself I'll send you, the May month current affair which just now got over. I'll send you that. You can see the quality. And what are the packages you have to enroll? Prelims, pack 1, where you will get that 99 test PDF with the timetable. Prelims Plus, where 99 test PDF, but because some people find it very lengthy to read it, I will explain each question in an audio video format by reading through that PDF. So it will be easier for you, but not for all the tests, 30 to 50 tests. Okay. Mains, 25 tests with evaluation and model answer. So that is the only package which has evaluation separately for mains. Pack 4 is just add up pack 1 plus 3. That is, you want the prelims PDF, you want the mains evaluation. Or pack 5 is add up the 2 and 3. Okay. Either prelims plus mains or prelims plus mains. That is the pack 4 and pack 5. In this, pack 4 is the best seller which most people buy because they are comfortable reading the PDFs. So they buy the pack 1 plus pack 3, that is pack 4. This is what most people enroll. Most of the last year students also, highest number of enrollments are from that pack. Okay. So these are extra video classes, paid classes which I am planning. And in this internal security and ethics is almost in work in progress. It can be released in another 2-3 months. Maybe you will see, like, it's a paid course. You have to separately pay. I'm telling you, because many students told like YouTube lectures are not enough. We need proper paid scheduled classes and all. So that is why I'm planning everything I will take, not other teachers, because other teachers already have done. In our channel you can see social justice, governance, all things we have done. But again, because they wanted more standard, more like English medium alone classes and all, I will take all these things. So first priority I am giving for internal security and ethics, because that is a very high scoring subject. Okay, scoring thing. So that is why that I am planning video classes. I will announce soon, but that's not part of this package. So what course you have to buy? Pack 1 or 4 for prelims or prelims plus mains, pack 2 or 5 for the prelims plus video explanation plus mains. Okay, and only mains is the thing, means this is pack 3. Okay, only mains. Now the fees also we'll see now, so that you don't have any confusion. So 99 prelims test, 9900 solved MCQ with detailed explanations in PDF, 25 mains test, in which at least 20-21 will have evaluation. CSAT will not be there, optional will not be there. Okay, that is, you have to study from your own sources. So soft copy question PDF, how it will look like? It will look something like this. Like this is an old one, April 2021. You will have a question and you will have the answer highlighted. You will have the explanation and you will have the link, the news link. So that any doubt, you can click on that link and reconfirm also. This is the answer PDF. You see here. Just 1 second, this highlighting some problem. Okay, see here, answers. Same like that, this thing will have a question PDF also. Like this is an example of question PDF. See, environment, set number 1, question 3, set number 1, question 4, set number 1, question 5. And the answer PDF, that each one will have an explanation. See, this question's explanation in the answer PDF. This is a question PDF. This is an answer PDF. So answer PDF will have the answer highlighted. Here it is not highlighted. Here it is, everything is in black color. So this one for practice you can do at your home. And then take the answer PDF and then see the answer, see the explanation. Okay, more are there. I just took the partial screenshot. Okay, so like this, if you see another one, computer aided one software, see Carnico, then this one hydrogenation, then see the explanation for this question is given here. See solar ejection, fact sheets are there, news links are there. This is how your prelims test PDF will look like. Mains PDF, how it will look like, that also we'll see. What you have to do is, this particular day is right, exam day, suppose 13th October, you have MFTS 0, 10 questions, mix of all the subjects is the first test. That is just to get familiar, so that you know how to write and submit and all. So what you will do, on that day morning, you will get or previous day midnight, you will get a question PDF, which will be like this grey color sheet. You will get it in your email, soft copy, and you will get a blank sheet like this, 1 page. Print out this. Take one printout and then take some hundreds of photocopies you take, because you have to write 25 tests over the weeks. So take some 100 photocopies. Okay, black and white. Okay, photocopies. Then you will write in this. See, there are 10 questions. Each are 15 mark, 10 mark, and all. Total 150 mark. You will write your answer. We will evaluate. We will put. See, this is red color as my comments. Okay, and then we'll put tick mark, comments, everything, and then give you the mark. Like 11 out of 15. So many people asked like this, recently asked like, how come 11 UPSC don't give that much marks and all, they give only 8 marks out of 15. This is actually our test series, you know, it will be much more easier than mains. It will be like open book. You are sitting at your home and doing it. Nobody is like examiner is there. So obviously you will write the best answers only. Okay. But that doesn't mean always you will get like this. There are questions in which we completely strike down and even give 0 out of 15. Okay. Because you would have done complete blunder. So on an average, you will get that score only. Okay. Here if you see, this is the report card of the student. See, in first question, 11 out of 15. Second question, 10 out of 15. See, 0 out of 15, 0 out of 15. Either he would have skipped that question or done some blunder. So like that, on an average, at the end, what you are getting? In 180 marks, you are getting 49 marks. That is just 27%. You should know UPSC topper usually get around 51%. Okay, 51% is what UPSC topper gets. So you will weekly see, this is another one topper student who did good, 66% marks. Okay, see topper this week. So like this, see your positives, your negatives, the feedback, what category you lie between compared to others, where are you, everything you will get, okay, because I will be evaluating it myself. Last year also some people's corrections were pending because, as I told, the same reasons, my health issues and 2024 prelims last minute works and all, I couldn't correct every paper, but it will be given, okay, nothing will be kept with me because all the papers are with me. I will correct and give you, okay, with the report card. And then you should know that when you write this, the same day we cannot correct, it will take time. Instead, that day when you submit this paper, how you will submit? You will simply scan. You can scan through any app. Okay, there is a doc scanner app is there, or earlier many Chinese apps used to be there which are banned. You have to just take the photo. Okay, like you have written like suppose 6 pages for today's test. Take photos of 6 pages, and that app itself finally will tell convert it to a PDF. Okay, there is this app called doc scanner. Okay. Doc scanner, page 1, page 2, page 3, you just take photos in that app, open that app and take photos, and then they'll save as PDF. So in a proper PDF of 6 pages it will come. So that you can email us. So when you email us, I will start the evaluation work which you see here. Then I will give you the model answer that day itself. Okay, model answer means it's like a soft copy where answer is already printed. So you can immediately, this is an email you will get. So you can verify your answers that day itself. But the evaluation based on how many people submit and workload and all, it will take some time. Okay, so this is the overall mains procedure. Now, just 1 second, I will show you the Excel sheet which already I have shown you, like July and all, how it will look like. So, behind me, now you see the Excel sheet. This is the Excel, and here you see different tab. So, I am clicking on here, this 328 days, so you see this. Next, you click like study summary, you see this. Next, you click on 99 prelims test PDF, the test PDF comes. These are all editable. Okay. Then after that, 25 mains test. So each tab you click, they will take you to different reading sections. Okay. So this many people don't know, and they will tell like, sir, what is this? Only one slide is there. I don't know what is this. You should go below and click on this. So July 1 to 15, you will study this. And here again, if you click on each of this, it will take you to the lectures. Okay. And then July next half, which is the higher NCERT. Then after that, August 1 to 15, you will do spectrum. These are also clickable. Spectrum is clickable. Everything free lecture is there. Polity, we don't have free lecture in English medium now. It is there in English. Full 80 chapters are there. In English, few are there. Okay. So that again, you come and ask me in WhatsApp, we'll give you. But again, I told you, it should be read from the textbook by yourself, because Lakshmikant is something which has no replacement. How much ever we do lecture, between the lines, questions can be asked. That is why please read it yourself, textbook. That's why we did not give hyperlink here. Please read it. Okay, see, spectrum test is also given to you. After you read the spectrum, then between Lakshmikant test will come. Okay. So one by one I am clicking, just go through. Lakshmikant, full September, Lakshmikant plus the test. Between current affair PDF also you are getting, science PDFs you are getting. See, science and all I didn't put any day for studies. You just have to do my test and current affair. Ethics, you will start studying. I told you October onwards you will start studying mains syllabus. So ethics, when I tell chapter 1, 2, that day only do chapter 1, 2, don't do anything else. So all self-study, okay. World history, your mains test will start. MFTS 0, where it will be just 8 to 10 questions to make you practice submission. Then you will start doing online Wikipedia reading or any subject notes based on different countries, international relationship. Like that, weekly, every Sunday, you will have a mains test. It's going. See, GS1, GS2, GS3, everything will be there. Days allocated. But this is November. By the time November ends, what will happen? In December, we are leaving you free. Mains test will happen on Sundays. But that's based on whatever you finished reading in October and November. And then you will do optional study for full December. November PDF you are getting. And then January onwards, we will be back to studies. Where environment from your Shankar IAS textbook or any notes you have anywhere, these topics, micro level topics I have given you from the syllabus. Each of the topic you should make your own notes and prepare it. Every of these things, there will be MCQs in my test series. So you don't have to worry about that. But if you study, okay, these many days I have allocated so that you study. Else I can simply give you the PDF. You should study yourself and then do my MCQ. Okay. See, art and culture, I have given days and then I have given you. See, this also is clickable. Nitin Singhania lectures are there free of cost in my channel. You can watch it. Like this, it's going, and see when the month is February and all, almost every day we'll give you test PDF. You don't have to read books and waste your time. Simply read our test PDF. See, environment 5 days, 5 test, 500 MCQ, but you have already finished reading in the last month, so it will be much more beneficial for you. Like that, schemes 5 days, 5 test. This year also questions came directly from this PDF. And last I put ancient medieval because the questions count is going very down, so that's why I put it down. March 1 to 15, again you will do optionals. So total 45 days of optional we have kept out of 328. Then you will get current affairs and other full test, and also revision charts from which I showed you direct questions are coming. Okay. Then April and May month obviously remaining full test, and then some days allocated for you to do only PYQs. Okay, very seriously you have to do PYQ solving so that you get ready for the May month exam. See, a lot of revision days I have kept. So this one you can use as buffer day. Meaning whichever subject you could not finish studying, you can use these days. Or you can do full CSAT. Like here I put 4 days CSAT. Instead of that you do 10 days CSAT. It's your choice. We reached May month, economic survey test and the last 18 full tests. Okay. And you will give your prelims on May 25, Sunday. Now we want to see the last thing, which is the fees. Let me go to that window. Back to PPT. These are the different packages which we have. First package is prelims test PDF, 99 PDF, 328, that timetable which I showed you, that you will get. MCQs plus explanations plus 275 charts plus 60 snippet cards, 1.5 years of current affair, self-evaluation, prelims test PDF, where you will get the question PDF and answer PDF. This is the fees. This is the discount. But again, I'll give you EMI also, don't worry. I'll show you in the next slide. So this is the package of prelims only, where you can pay it through 4 months installment, which I'll show you in the next slide. Or if you need, out of the 99, 30 to 50 tests, you need me to read it out for you and explain because you are slow in reading. Then you can get the pack 2, which will be slightly higher than the pack 1. This is the price. Then there is mains test series, meaning only mains. You will write, evaluate that only, that October to February mains test series. This is the discount. So all is this week if you are enrolling. Okay, July 1. When the timetable starts, you should be with us. You should be with Vysh IAS. This is the combo one, which is pack 1 plus pack 3. That is the prelims plus mains. And this is the discounted price. And this is the pack 2 plus pack 3, which is pack 5. And this is the discounted price. And this also, if you have any problem and all, you can come and ask us. We will try to do some adjustments for certain students whose requirement is there. Then instead of paying like that single payment, I told you this is a single payment, discounted single payment. But you want to do 3-time payment, means slightly higher it will be. It will not be the original price which is mentioned here. It will be slightly higher than the discounted price. Still discount is there. And you can pay it like now July you pay, August you pay, September you pay. Okay. And this also in certain cases, if needed till October, that also we can try to do. Okay. So 3 months or 4 months we can work out based on your condition. And this one again, this is the discounted single payment, or you do a 3-time payment, or as I told, we can extend it to 4-time payment. Okay. Mains by default itself there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 4-time payment. This also we have by default 4-time payment, which we can, if we want, work out to 5 month also. Okay. So this is the last one. So as I told, this is the best seller. If you are an aspirant who have been watching Vysh IAS videos, who is impressed by our lectures, our PYQs, our Vysh versus UPSC and all, this is the pack I will recommend. Okay, pack 4. Or you can buy pack 1 now, prelims, and then upgrade it later to this one. That time, because you are already existing student, we will give you discounts in mains also. So like that, you can club it that way. If you don't want to directly buy pack 4, you can buy pack 1 and start studying from July 1. And then later, by October time when mains starts, you can upgrade it to the pack 1 plus 3 package. Hope you are understanding. Okay. So again, I am telling, we want result. We want all India toppers. So please see to it that you are serious, and you have to come and WhatsApp me today itself or this week itself, because the offer is only for this week. Message 25B3 to 7200681675, and I will tell you how to do the enrollment or the payment, and then you will see that your studies will be the most like competitive, as I told, in this country. And then if you don't want to buy any of the test series, at least watch the YouTube videos and subscribe to our channel so that you continuously see free content. Okay, because my job is to see to it that you go and get your big UPSC dream in style, and so help us help you fulfill your dreams. Okay, so what's up? I'll wind up this video and we will see you in the next episode, where I'll be explaining 2026 650-day plan, which is a very big plan with 9-month installment crazy offer. Okay, so wait for that also if you're giving exam in 2026. Okay, so thank you and have a nice day.